Welcome back to Add Art. In today's lesson we're going to be drawing something for my niece Layla. She asked me to draw their family dog called Poppy, who's a Cavachon, so that's what we're going to do today. Let's make a start. First we'll draw Poppy's nose. We'll put in the eyes, bright little eyes. Poppy's quite a small dog. Cavachons are a mix of Cavalier, King Charles and Bichon Frise, and they're quite small. Let's put the muzzle in. It's quite furry at times. It looks like a well-groomed moustache. A friendly smile in as well. It's a very friendly little dog. Now let's put the ears in. So these kind of floppy ears. Looks a little bit like a teddy bear at times. Side. There we go. Some detail in there. Some eyebrows. She often looks at you as if she wants some snacks. In. Now, despite her size, she's an incredibly quick dog. They live in Islington in London, often take her for walks in the park near there, in Highbury Fields. And once she's off the lead, she can run across that park really, really fast. Back legs in. So the other side. If I'm going a bit fast, remember you can just pause the video, catch up and then hit play. Put some detail into her body there. She might be a small dog, but Poppy thinks she's much bigger and stronger and at times scarier than she actually is. So if she gets approached by bigger dogs in the park, she'll bark at them really loudly, and they look a bit bemused because she's a tiny little dog. Actually, let's put a flower in. Let's put a poppy in here, a wild poppy, given that's her name. Have these quite big centres. Let's put some other park flowers in here as well, some buttercups and daisies. The edge of the park in. Some more of those flowers, we can fill that space now. running around the park. We can actually put someone running around the park. My sister sometimes goes running around the park, so let's put her in. And if we put lines in like this, we can have a fence all the way around the park. Just make sure those little bits stick up. In these London parks you get a lot of plane trees, so let's put a few of those in. They'll be coming into bloom at this time of year. Two more in. Always draw the branches reaching up. If you have a look at trees, it's very much how they grow. They're stretching up towards the light. Let's put a few little dog treats in there for Poppy. She's sat quite patiently while I've been drawing this. Some detail on the path. And there we have it. There is Poppy in the park. Hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one today. Remember, if you subscribe to Add Art, you'll know when new drawings become available to follow. And if you give me a like, that's really appreciated. And if you want to make a suggestion like my niece Layla, then get a grown-up to leave me a message on Instagram at this address. It is at @_art_king, and maybe I'll choose yours to do next time. But that's it for today, and I'll see you again on Add Art. Bye for now.